Base44 versus Bubble, which app builder should you use, explores how the right app builder can transform your development process without complex coding headaches. Both Base44 and Bubble offer unique features for building apps efficiently. Base44 and Bubble are popular no-code app builders designed to simplify app creation. The core difference lies in Base44's focus on rapid prototyping with AI assistance, while Bubble emphasizes full customization through a visual programming interface. Base44 is a no-code platform that accelerates app development by combining drag-and-drop tools with AI-powered automation. It allows users to design interfaces quickly, automate workflows, and deploy apps without writing code. Base44's AI features suggest design improvements and generate back-end logic, reducing manual effort. Its strengths include speed, ease of use, and integration with popular APIs, making it ideal for startups and small teams needing fast MVPs. However, Base44 has limitations in deep customization and complex logic handling compared to more mature platforms. It's best suited for users prioritizing rapid development over granular control, especially those less experienced in coding who want a streamlined, guided app building experience. Bubble is a comprehensive no-code platform that offers a powerful visual editor to build fully customizable web applications. It works by letting users design front ends and define back-end workflows through a visual interface, supporting complex logic and database management. Bubble's strengths lie in its flexibility, scalability, and extensive plugin ecosystem, allowing creators to build intricate apps without traditional coding. It supports real-time data updates and user authentication, making it suitable for robust applications. However, Bubble has a steeper learning curve and requires more time investment to master its features. It is ideal for entrepreneurs and developers who want full control over app functionality and design, and who are ready to invest effort to build scalable, production-ready applications. Choosing between Base44 and Bubble depends on your priorities. Base44 excels in speed and simplicity, perfect for quickly launching prototypes or simple apps with AI guidance. It minimizes technical barriers but limits deep customization. Bubble offers extensive flexibility, supporting complex workflows and scalable apps, though it demands more learning and setup time. For example, a startup needing a fast MVP might choose Base44 to validate ideas quickly, while a SaaS company requiring tailored features and user management would benefit from Bubble's robust capabilities. The trade-off is between rapid development and comprehensive control, so understanding your project scope and technical comfort is key. Choose Base44 if you need a fast AI-assisted app builder with minimal complexity, ideal for prototypes and simple projects without deep customization needs. Option Bubble when your project demands full customization, scalability, and advanced features, and you're ready to invest time mastering its tools. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so align your choice with your app's complexity and your development goals for best results.